In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Tag Manager container. This tutorial is designed to guide you through each step of the process so you can confidently remove a container when it's no longer needed. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and log into your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look for the Admin tab, which you'll find on the top navigation bar. Clicking on the Admin tab will take you to a page with several options meant for administrative tasks. Now you'll notice that this page is divided into different columns. On the far right, you'll see a column that lists all the containers associated with your account. Browse through this list and find the specific container that you want to delete. When you've identified the right one, click on it to proceed. The next step is to open the container settings. This option is typically found directly beneath the name of your selected container. Clicking on container settings will take you to a detailed view of that container's settings and options. You're halfway there. Now direct your gaze to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find a set of 3 vertical dots. This is essentially a menu button. Click on these dots and you'll see an option labelled Delete. Select it to initiate the deletion process. At this point, a confirmation dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is a safeguard to ensure that you truly intend to delete the container, since this action is quite significant. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct container, and if you're sure about deleting it, go ahead and confirm by clicking the appropriate button in the dialog box. Once you've confirmed, the next logical step is to verify that the container has been successfully removed. To do this, return to your list of containers and check to ensure that the one you intended to delete is no longer there. This is an essential step to make sure the deletion process was completed as you intended. Before we wrap up, there's an important note you should keep in mind. When you delete a container, it doesn't vanish instantly. Instead, it moves to the trash can within Google Tag Manager. This handy feature allows you to restore the container within a 30-day window, should you change your mind or realize you've deleted the wrong one. However, be aware that after 30 days, the container will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to delete a Google Tag Manager container with ease. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.